Hi, I'm Edo from Framer. When you visit one of your sites on mobile, like I'm doing now, it's common to run into little mistakes, like some outdated content or a typo, thinking, I wish I could fix this right away. Well, a few weeks ago we shipped the editor bar, which lets you open the current page in Framer to edit it. And now we let you do that directly on your mobile device when it comes to CMS content, for example, for quickly changing the title of a blog post. And of course, you're not limited by titles, but you can change pretty much any content you see in the CMS, like an image. Here I want to show you how plugins still work great on mobile by selecting Unsplash and looking for an image that is a little bit more fitting my blog post, like a mobile phone. I'll pick this one, and when I tap you'll see that it's immediately added to my content. Now I can go ahead and hit the publish button to update my blog post, and when I click the link, Framer will open that extract page again to show the updated content. Now let me take a minute to show you some more details of the mobile CMS. You'll see that the content can also be scrolled horizontally to reveal all the column fields, and you can hit the three dots menu to show or hide them depending on what you need. Next to the CMS title there is a drop-down where you can see all your collections and switch between them. You can use this plus button at the top to add new items, and here I'm going to click on an existing item to show you that the rich text field is fully functional, so you can tap and select text to change the formatting, like adding bold or italics like I'm doing. And of course all reference fields are working as well. You can click to select or even edit them in line just like on desktop. You can even change the content of fields like tint, which will show a color picker on top, and that's about it. We really hope you enjoyed this update that will allow you to edit your site content from pretty much anywhere. I'll see you at the next update, and in the meantime, happy building on mobile.